Hey everybody, it's Drew. Welcome back. So this is part 2 of my build series on the Tamiya 148 scale Tiger 1. So in this video we're going to get it painted and get all the tiger stripes on. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to use some Vallejo black primer and just give everything a nice coat of black. And I'll paint all the tracks and the wheels and everything on the sprues. I did assemble some two-part wheels that I have on cocktail sticks, so I'm going to get those painted as well and move on to the base coat. So the base color of this early Tiger 1 is dark yellow, and I'm using the Vallejo Model Colors dark yellow, and this is the unthin type, so you can airbrush it, but you gotta thin it down. So I'm just using some Vallejo airbrush thinner and also add a few drops of flow improver to help with the tip dry. But you can airbrush Model Color really well, just gotta thin it down. So I'm going to use my high-tech wheel template and just spray the wheel hubs all 100 of them, it seems like. I don't know why these German tanks had so many wheels. You kind of wonder why they broke down all the time and they were hard to maintain. So anyway, I'm going to do these on the sprue. I do have the ones that I have on cocktail sticks. I'll get those as well. And yeah, this is an easy way of doing my wheels. I like using this circle template and mask off the one that you will use and just spray in there. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to use Tamiya's dark iron for the tracks, and that's what's recommended for this. And you know, it's hard to tell the difference between the dark iron and the black, but it does give a little bit of metallic sheen to it, and it'll be a nice base for, you know, doing some weathering and adding some dust effects later. Okay, on to the fun part of painting the camo. So this particular tank has a lot of stripes all over it. And there's a little instruction map, call out, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I can follow that perfectly, right? Yeah. So this first color is going to be red-brown, and I'm just going to make a bunch of stripes all over it. And from what I understand, these were painted in the field in Russia, and they sent the tank crews this really thick paint paste, and they had to thin it down with gasoline, and they basically put it on with anything they had. If they had any brushes, that'd be great. If not, they use rags or sponges. And so I'm not looking for perfection, just wanted to look like something they would have done. It looks halfway decent. Okay, now I'm going to brush paint the little tools that are on the model. There are some that are molded in, and there's some that I attached. And so right now I'm just painting the wooden handles. So this is just some Model Masters wood paint, and just use a steady hand and a fine brush, and it'll turn out okay. So for the metallic parts, I'm going to use this is Tamiya metallic gray. So this would be for like the axe heads and the shovels, and also for the jack that's on the back of the tank. All right, guys, here is the finished paint job. So, a lot of stripes. Had fun painting it though, it was kind of cool. And you can see the tools, how they came out. I painted these covers here that I don't know what they are, but on top of the exhaust, some of the covers here, I've seen pictures where they were a dark color, black maybe. So there is there's the jack. All right, we'll keep it apart. So also have all the tracks painted, as you saw in the video. There's all the little wheels, single wheels. There are two different types. They go on different spots, and I do have to touch up. Touch up a little bit on the edges where I didn't get enough primer on. I'll probably actually go over it with some rubber black, or maybe some of this, just to give it where it's not so stark. And here are the other road wheels. These are the ones that are glued together, and okay. So the next step is to get all the wheels on and do the tracks. Can't wait. So there we go. So we'll do the tracks and do the final weathering, that'll be on the next video. I want to thank everybody for joining me here, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the next video. In the meantime, click on some of my favorite builds that are popping up here on your screen, and I will see you later. Take care. Bye.